My name is Harrison, and I'm entering the Make.com plus Voiceflow AI challenge. So this is the pre-day. I'm going to officially start tomorrow, but there's a few things I need to mark off my list. So I got to make sure all my logins are correct. So I'm going to walk you through this whole process here. Okay, so I want to make sure I'm able to log into my Make.com and make sure everything is right as rain. So let's go over here. And I'm going to grab my login credentials, my pass. Great. And I have a one-time password, 2FA. Great. I'm going to go into my lab. Yep. First thing is completed. So the next thing I want to do is make sure I can log into Voiceflow AI. Voiceflow AI. Okay. All right, here we go. So sign up for free. Okay. Just to make this easier, I'm thinking about using Google authentication, but you know what? I'm going to make a login right now. And let's go login. And below you can't see, obviously, but I'm writing in my password and everything. And for the website, let's go my first name, Voiceflow AI. Okay. And let me put in my email. And my email. Great. Super secure. All right. And I'm in. I just need to verify. Let's go ahead and grab verified in my email. I'm going to use my phone here to verify it. Gmail, Voiceflow, verify email. Great. It's loading up for me. Tick tock, tick tock. Okay, all right. So this should work now. Oh, okay. It's giving me a link to, it's giving me maybe a code. Let's try to log out and log back in to make sure we're all set and we have all the pieces. So you want to always do this before your builds. Want to make sure you have everything set and ready just before jumping in. And this seems super basic, but it's honestly truly just to make sure you have everything you need before diving in. It's like, you know, when you're cooking a meal, you want to make sure essentially that you have everything prepped, everything weighed. You want to be cooking halfway through the meal, and then all of a sudden you need your spices, right? You need your paprika, you need your whatever it is. And I can say that we are in. Whoa, great. Let's go over here. So we're in. Okay, so the next step we have on the docket is let's create a new Notion page for what we're building. All right. So I haven't revealed that yet. And as I type, you'll see. Smart Advisor Concierge build. Amazing. So inside this page, we're going to have 3 databases. This is what I had mapped out. We're going to have the first database as that are linked. We're going to have leads. And we can always beautify this later. The next database, we're going to have advisors. And then the third database, full page, automation log. Okay. Okay, the next thing I have mapped out is, let's see here. Let's go back to Automatium calendar. I need to build a calendar, a demo calendar. So let's go ahead and add a calendar here, create a new calendar. It's going to be called Demo Advisor for Bookings. Advisor for Bookings. Great. All right, it's creating the calendar. And the email I'm going to use for the demo is either Harrison Caldera Gmail or hello@automatium. Let's go back. Let's see if this worked. Demo advisor. We have the demo advisor locked in, loaded. I think we have everything we need. So this is just like the quick setup stuff. I just wanted to make a quick video. For tomorrow, so what I have planned out for tomorrow is the first day build. So it's an AI concierge pretty much. And I'm going to explain much more of what I'm doing. I just wanted to get the ball rolling here, a little intro video, who I am, what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to build. So again, I'll just give you a nice little outlay. So I'm going to define the scope or the problem and the concept before. So what problem it solves for like financial advisors, especially because I'm working with a financial advisor right now. The next thing is, who is this for? Specifically, I'm in Ontario, so Ontario financial advisors and people who get busy and they need a follow-up sequence or need to get booked in. And the next thing is the main outcome. So the main outcome is to turn website visitors into booked calls automatically. I'm going to map the journey, no tech yet. So tomorrow we're going to get the prospects, see how we can integrate chat and voice, clarify needs, advisor match, booking, and follow-up. We're going to capture like the must-needs, which is name, contact details, what they're looking for, budget, urgency, preferences, create a high-level architecture. So again, user voice flow, it's going to go into make.com and then map that into Notion, those databases we created, get some calendar from booking, and then email, SMS. I think I'm going to use Twilio for that. And then pretty much I'm going to draft my elevator pitch. So like this is truly a build. Yes, it's a challenge, but I'm also building out for financial advisors. So like what would I tell people, like how it would solve? Because a lot of these AI projects, they don't do well because you're trying to inject AI and automation into a system like on top of it. Right now, we're assessing what is already being done and what is needed from the client, and just slowly integrating that into a system that works, something that is integrative, not forcing onto a system here. That won't work. So I'm really trying to cultivate that piece as well, and that's what I try to do with Automatium there. And so until tomorrow, until day one, this is going to be a 7-day thing for me. We'll hopefully get finished on day 7. This is the first time I'm kind of doing this and doing it in public. So thank you so much for joining me, and until tomorrow.